Now we need to put the ribber back on. We're going to leave the heel forks in place and make sure that the soft weight is low enough in the cylinder that there's room for the ribber fin to come down from inside the ribber. Figure out where your ribber stop is. For me, it's right here, which is where it should be for you if your main mark is about at 4 o'clock. So line up your fin so that it's going as much straight down as possible. Tighten it in place. And again, push back a little bit to make sure you've got everything lined up just right. You're going to crank now until your first ribber needle is about here. We will start putting them back in work. So you can push the cylinder needles down, making sure that the latches stay open. And then you'll need to lift up the stitch as you put the ribber needle back so that the ribber latch is open. You can go ahead at this point and reset your row counter as well. So now I've finished replacing all of my needles. You're going to keep the heel spring in place until the last ribber needle knits. And then you can disengage the heel spring. And just go really slowly for the first couple of rows to make sure everything's working as it should. Now you're going to crank the number of rows for the foot that you calculated using the worksheet earlier. You might need to pull down on the heel forks just to give a little extra weight to the heel side of the sock. You know, it's not perfectly balanced in there. And then you really have to do that probably for, I don't know, maybe 10 rows. And then once the top of the heel forks are visible below the cylinder, you can remove them, reset the cable ring, and soft weight. Visit us at deanandbean.com and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.